Welcome back to part 2 of our sleep series. Before diving into practical tips for better sleep, let's clarify the fascinating world of sleep stages and their critical roles in our overall health. Understanding these phases will help us appreciate why quality sleep is so essential. Our sleep consists of two main phases, non-REM and REM sleep. Non-REM sleep is further divided into 3 stages. Stage 1 or N1, this is the lightest stage of sleep where you drift in and out of sleep. It's that drowsy state right before you fully fall asleep. Stage 2 or N2, here your body begins to prepare for deeper sleep. Your body temperature drops, brain activity slows down, and your heart rate decreases. This stage helps you stay asleep and resist disturbances. Stage 3 and 4 or N3, also known as slow wave or deep sleep. And here I want you to learn that the stage 3 and 4 or N3 is the most restorative stage. It's crucial for memory consolidation, muscle and bone repair, and growth hormone release. Often we call this hormone the fountain of youth. This hormone plays a key role in recovery and hormonal balance. During this deep sleep stage, cortisol levels also decreases, which reduces stress and boosts immune function. The final phase is REM sleep, where most dreaming occurs. This stage is essential for emotional regulation, creativity, and cognitive function. Interestingly, the first half of the night is rich in N3, stage 3 and 4, where the later half of the night has more REM sleep. Understanding these stages can help us realize the importance of a full night's sleep, and each cycle of all of these stages, lasting about 90 minutes, usually occur 3 to 5 times throughout the night, allowing us to rejuvenate our bodies and minds. And there is a crucial takeaway. 2 hours of sleep before midnight is worth more than 4 hours after midnight. Prioritizing early sleep can make a huge difference in how restorative your rest is, setting you up for the most powerful healing benefits, and you will feel the difference in your energy and focus. If you are ready to transform your health, click the link below and join our private community today. Stay tuned for our next segment, where we will explore practical tips to enhance your sleep quality. See you there.